You want to learn how to isolate color in less than a minute? Then this is the tutorial you are searching. Duplicate your layer 3 times. For the first one, go to Layer, Layer Mask, Reveal All. Now hide it. For the second one, go to Image, Adjustment, Desaturate. Hide this one too. And for the last one, go to Image, Adjustments, Black and White. The zones that contain the color you want to isolate should be white after the adjustments. In the perfect scenario, the rest should be black, but try at least to make them as dark as possible. Now, click on the first layer, go to Image, Apply Image, and unhide all layers. I have on my channel another technique to do a similar thing. I will leave the link in the description. Subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.